Hey everybody, it's Gary here from Tech Review Ireland, and Cade Míle Fáilte 100,000 welcomes to where we will be doing tech reviews and news Irish style. Now, in today's economy, mid-2020, if you think you should be able to buy a pair of decent quality Bluetooth earbuds for under €40, then you'd be correct. Thanks to companies like iTeknic, who brought out this rather spiffy little pair of earbuds. Now, they might be under €40, but will they cut the mustard? Will they compete with the big boys like the Samsung Galaxy Buds or the Apple Airpods? Who knows? Let's jump into the video and check out some specs. So these are the earbuds from iTeknic, and straight off the bat these have a fantastic battery life. You get about 5 to 6 hours usually, but that increases to a massive 30 hours when using the portable charging box. Now, thanks to Bluetooth 5.0 technology with stable sound, you do get a rather good, well-rounded listening experience for both calls and music. They connect fast and never seem to drop a call. Happy days. Of course, these are waterproof to IPX5 levels, so you can wear them comfortably going for a jog or sweating in the gym without worrying about them falling out or stopping working. Now, they do have performance noise reduction, which basically means that the reduction technology inside significantly isolates ambient noise. Now, I have to say, it really does work. I had these in with about 50% volume and you can barely hear what's going on around you. It's really good when you're trying to ignore the kids. Now, I have to say, I really love this charging box. It just looks the part. When you remove the buds, they connect to both each other and your phone automatically. Now, there's no physical buttons on these buds, so using some cool touch technology, you can raise the volume by touching the right bud and lower the volume touching the left. Amongst other commands, you can double click to play and pause music and long hold for Siri and Google Voice commands. Now, popping them back in the box will recharge the buds so you don't run out of battery halfway through a workout. And as you can see, they pop back in safely using magnetics. Very cool. So in my opinion, these wireless earbuds from iTeknic using Bluetooth 5.0 noise reduction 3D stereo with a 30-hour playback time, absolute steal. So there we have it, folks. The iTeknic earbuds get the big thumbs up from Tech Review Ireland. Sure, they might not have the technical capabilities of the Apple or the Galaxy products, but for under €40, that's €140 less than the Apple model, and they last longer. To me, it's a no-brainer. I don't want to spend the extra €130 trying to figure out the difference. To me, these will do just fine. I fully charge these and I usually only listen to one at a time, and I was listening to one for a couple of hours a day for a whole month without needing to recharge these again. That is absolutely spectacular. That's longer than the Apple products will last. You do the math. So thank you very much again for watching this video. If I've added value in any way, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't be afraid to subscribe and like this video and hit that bell icon so you can be notified of any of our future videos. Again, thank you very much, and until next time here at Tech Review Ireland, peace.